In this video, you'll learn how to use a Binance referral code and earn fee rebates. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate through the referral program and maximize your earnings through trading activities. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once you arrive at the homepage, locate the sign in button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your account credentials to access your account. After logging in, look for the referral or invite section on your account dashboard. This section typically contains information about the referral program and the rebate structure. Take a moment to review the available options and ensure you meet the eligibility requirements for participation. Next, check your referral code availability. This code is unique to your account and is essential for tracking referrals. To find your referral code, look for a designated area within the referral section labeled your referral code or referral link. Make sure to note this code as it will be necessary for sharing with potential new users. Once you confirm your eligibility and code availability, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to share your referral code. You can easily do this by copying your referral code or link directly from the referral section. Use the copy button if available, or manually highlight the code and copy it to your clipboard. Share this code with new users through various channels, such as social media, email, or messaging apps. It is crucial that the users you refer register on Binance using your specific code, as this will enable you to earn trading fee rebates based on their trading activity. After sharing your referral code, monitor the performance of your referrals. To do this, return to the referral dashboard within your Binance account. Regularly check this area to review any earned rebates from your referred users. The dashboard will display the total amount of rebates accrued. You can choose to withdraw these rebates or use them for trading purposes directly on the platform. Keep accurate records of your earnings to ensure you track your financial benefits effectively. If you notice any discrepancies or if rebates do not appear as expected, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. They can help resolve any issues related to your referral earnings. By following these steps, you can fully utilize the Binance referral program and enhance your trading experience through fee rebates. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.